Hi everyone! So I just wanted to do a quick video on this palette here that I just got from Jackson's. I'll leave the link below to this product if you want to check it out. So basically I got this for my Roman Small palette. So I wanted to migrate these pans into this palette here. I was using the normal regular 24 half pan palette. I'll put a picture up, and I feel like I want to, I don't know, I wanted more colors in my Roman Small palette specifically, so I decided to get this one. Now the first thing is, I noticed the profile is so slim compared to these regular tins here. All right, as you can see, I have some colors in there, but yeah, so can you tell that it's a lot slimmer, right? And this up here is just the average size, okay? On this side as well, you can see that it is larger than the regular 24 half pan palette, but it is like a lot shorter in height, I guess. I call it slim. And lengthwise, let's see, lengthwise it's about the same. Anyway, I'm gonna put this aside here. And for this one, you get one large mixing well and 3 smaller mixing wells. They're still large in comparison to other ones. And the back side here, oh no, I already got it dirty. All right, so the back side here, as you can see, it's not completely flat. This part and this part is slightly raised, or well, in this scenario. But if you open it up, you could see these are the mixing spaces. This one I chose to get the full pan inserts, but yeah, this is just the plastic insert. It's very flimsy. So you can see it's just a very flimsy plastic. So yeah, I wasn't planning on using that anyway, but if any of you do want to use it, you could fit in 12 full pans, and you even get like a little slot here for any of your brushes. You could only get one brush in there, but yeah, it's still a good space for you to use. So here, I'm taking it out because I don't need this part. And inside, it's not completely flat, as you can see. So for this surface here, this middle section is raised upwards, and these two sections here are lowered, but yeah, we'll see if that's an issue. Let me put this away, and then I'll bring in my Roman Small colors. And here we are, my Roman Small colors. Let's see, how am I supposed to do this? How about I leave this off to the side, and then I'll put them in here so you could see them as I go. All right, so I first saw this palette in another video, which is a long time ago, and I did not even search for it back then. I was just watching. I'll leave that video down below. It's Irit Landgraf's video, and hers was White Knight's palette, and yeah, but I noticed that it was the same palette, or at least similar, and she basically said that you could fit 7 pans across, 7 full pans. So I sort of arranged this with that in mind. So let's see if it'll fit. Oh, and by the way, I have already put magnets, those magnetic tapes on the back of all of these. So it's just a matter of putting them on. It's not gonna come off, as you can see. So here we go. 1. You know what? I'm just gonna fill this up, and then I'll let you know in the end. So I am now experiencing an issue where, can you see this part here? Like I told you, this middle part is raised up. So this little bit here, it's not really laying flat. I'm not sure if you could see it that well. But yeah, it's still working. The magnet is still sort of sticking the pan on there. But yeah, I'm not too happy about that, but it's okay. It works. All right, here we are. Here is all the colors in this palette. It fit like a glove. I mean, like not a glove, but there's still like, you know, a little bit some breathing room space on either side, which I'm honestly actually happy about. It's much better than, you know, having it like fit tightly in there and it's going to be hard to take the pans out. Whereas, you know, if I have like gaps in here, I could just easily like, you know, pick it up instead of, you know, having to grab, I don't know, some scissors or like, you know, razors, not razors, you know, those box cutters. Yeah. Yeah, I'm so happy. It fit all in there and I actually have space for a brush. Actually, where are my brushes? All right, since this is a Roman small palette, I decided to pick up these two Roman small brushes and let's see if it fits in there. Okay, so that fits. This one also fits. I can fit two in there. However, it's going to be hard to take out, so I don't think I'm going to be doing that. So what's good about this palette is that since all of the colors and the full pans, I mean, are stuck using magnets, I can just do this and have tilt it all and have the, why isn't it coming out? There we go. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend putting brushes in there because it'll be hard to take out unless, you know, maybe you have sort of like a tab to help you pull it out, but you know what? I don't recommend it. Well, there we go. So that's pretty much all I wanted to show you today is that this palette is super cool. It's slim. I much prefer this over, you know, the regular 24 half pan metal tin. I love it. It is heavy because of the colors mainly, but the palette itself is pretty light and you don't even like, you know, that insert, that middle insert, the you know, I never use those anyway. So I really love this. So if you've been, you know, wanting something like this, this is the way to go. Now, while we're here, I know a lot of you like Roman small watercolors, so I'm going to show you my collection, which is this and this here. So here is my whole Roman small collection. I won't be talking about Roman small colors today just because I wanted this video to be specifically about the Jackson's palette, this MT Jackson's palette. So if you want me to do a separate video on my Roman small collection and like how it came to be, how I built up my collection, then do let me know down below and maybe I could do that video. So you'll see that I do have some like, you know, some colors that I've hit pan already. I could still use these. Which ones? So these ones have also hit pan here. This one, Potter's Pink as well. So I've actually ordered, which ones have I ordered? I don't even remember. I think I ordered definitely Autumn Green and Cerulean Blue, Cobalt Colon Blue. Yeah, the PB35. But I'm definitely going to be ordering more as I finish them until Roman Small brings out the tubes. So yeah, anyway, so this is the palette. I hope you enjoyed. I hope that helped because I haven't seen like any specific video on it. Yeah, that's it. Sorry, I'm rambling now. Okay, as always, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.